cute.
Joey. Eastwood. Istisa.
Peps.
Uto.
Funny.
Very humble and very much talented.
Dancer.
Yabba-dabba-doo!
Very responsible.
Winnie.
Mapagkakatiwalaan. Yan.
Panyerong Owen, si Pungkoy to. Pardon the appearance. Superhero kasi ako sa umaga. I'm here to say something about you in one word. No college, I never thought of you to be one of this. But now, as a tribute to you, I'd like to describe you as the person I think you are now best at. Owen is a family guy. Yes, he is, and this is what I mean.
Happy birthday, Brother Owen. Sana lagi kang masaya at healthy. Enjoy your day.
Hi Kuya Owen, happy birthday. Miss ko na yung adventures natin sa Karamuan. Punta ulit tayo pag may bagyo ulit.
Hi Kuya Owen, happy 40th birthday. Continue to be a servant of God and a really good provider and family man. We miss you. See you soon.
I would just like to greet you on your special day and enjoy it, and more birthdays to come, brother. In behalf of Avi, we'd just like to greet you, Owen.
Happy birthday, Owen!
Pare Owen, tanida mo. Happy birthday, pare. I miss you very much. Na-miss ko na yung pag-concert mo ala Boys to Men. Okay, pare. Enjoy your day. I miss you very much. Mama chup chup. Momo momo.
Hi Owen, happy birthday. A year older, a year wiser. Hindi ka naman talaga 40. 22 ka lang with 18 years of experience, and growing old is mandatory, growing up is optional. Happy birthday, pre. Cheers.
Good day, paring Owen. Happy birthday. Paano ba yan? Nagawa na halos lahat ni paring Pungkoy. Isa lang ang masasabi ko. Why? Hindi bakit. Why, letter Y. Letter Y ng Yakult. Have a nice day. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, paring Owen. Mami miss ko celebration mo. Happy birthday, pare. Love you, miss you.
Owen, birthday mo pala. Happy birthday, pre. Parang kailan lang, no? Pumupustit tayo ng Ateneo, bababa ng barangka. Tapos tatagay yung isang grande. Ang bilis ng panahon, pre. Ngayon puro maintenance ng mga pinag-uusapan natin Pero wish ko lang sa birthday mo, pre, sana matupad lahat ng mga pinagdarasal mo. Siyempre, good health. At saka, good life. Cheers!
Happy birthday, paring Owen. Don't do drugs. Stay in school. Huwag kalimutan ng maintenance. Tsaka, life begins now. Happy birthday. God bless, pare.
Hope you have a wonderful day. And God bless. And hope next year, magkaroon tayo ng mini reunion kasama ng mga misis natin. Okay. Bye, pre.
Love you, Uncle Lo.
Ito si Owen. Astig, matikas, At ito si Owen, pagkasama si Mayan at ang kanyang pamilya. Mabait, maalalahanin. Happy birthday, Owen!
Happy birthday, Uncle Owen. Hope you have a fabulous 40th birthday. Happy birthday, Owen. Keep calm, you're only 40. Have a lovely day. Lots of love from all of us. Bye!
Hi, Owen. Happy birthday. Sana nag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. God bless.
Pasensya ka na, medyo magulo tong video ni Emilia kasi nagda-drive ako eh. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Kumusta na sa lahat? Okay.
Owen, kagabi pa ako naka-makeup para sa'yo. Ito, kakagising ko lang ha. Kasi talaga pinag-isipan ko ito, nag-eye-bags ako and everything. Ganyan. Anyway, ang pakay ko, i-greet ka ng happy 40th birthday. Okay? I'm so happy for you and your family, career-wise, personal life, showbiz life, ganyan. Ikaw ang pinaka-cute at unang-unang cousin namin na talagang huggable, lovable, and chubby. Okay, chubby. Okay, chubby. Okay, chubby. Ika-10 take na to ha. Ayoko na buray. Pawis na ako. Nagpa-mock up ako. Okay? Basta enjoy your life. God is good. You are so blessed. We are so blessed. And I love you. Mwah-mwah. Chup-chup. Magpakain ka ha.
Hi, Owen! Kumusta? It's your 40th birthday. Welcome to the club. We're wishing you more blessed birthdays to come from our family to you.
Hi, Tito Owen!
Hi, Tito Owen! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ryan! Happy birthday! God bless! Long life! Good health! Love you! Happy birthday! Hi, Owen. You know, I can foresee that you will have a very bright future. You have prepared very well in life. Your preparation is in fact completed. And you have prepared well and ready to meet the challenges in life. The law of the universe will not deny you, and you are a good man and pure in heart. And God will not deny such a person the reward that he deserves. So move on, my son. Be strong, be confident. Do not be afraid to make decisions that will change your life for the better as you go on in life. I wish that all the wishes that you received and will receive on your birthday will be granted by the Almighty. And I wish you, my son, happy birthday. And may you have more blowouts to come.
Hi, Owen. Yes, it's the birthday of God's precious gift to me on my 6th wedding anniversary. Now at 40, I'm very proud of what you have become so far. Just continue being the role model and inspiration to your siblings and your children, my 3 lovable couples. May God grant you more happiness year after year after year. I love you.